Hello all, welcome to Indian Mom channel. Today's topic is going to be about how to manage your house chores effectively using an app. I'm going to introduce you an is very simple app that can be used by anyone. So now this is not going to have many features as much you want, but still this will have the basic features for anyone that can be easily followed. So go to Play Store and search for clean house course and check the one for slot.net. I'm going to search for clean house, so you can see number of apps and see the app, the one app which is from sloic.net mobile apps. As I have already installed it, it's showing as installed. If you have not yet installed, it will show the install button. Just click on that to get it downloaded. Now as I have installed it already, I am seeing the option to open. I'm just opening it. So these are all the codes I have added in this app already. So I'm going to delete everything. So as you can see, like it will show the last time when you did this task and next time when you have to repeat this task. So this app is not having too much of ads that will interrupt you from tracking everything. It will be in the bottom of the app. If you want to remove this ads also, like you can just click on the ads option and you can pay for it to get it removed. But I would suggest you to try this app for a few days and then check whether you're happy with this app and then pay for it and get it. But I would say it's not required because the ads are not that much interrupting. The app is very clean and it is also very easy and simple, so you can suggest this app to your mom also. We usually do so many chores on a daily basis for which we don't need any tracking, but there are some chores which we do uh, very rarely, or once a month or twice a month or thrice a month, sometimes um, 2 months once or 3 months once. So for in that case, like this app will be very helpful. For example, let us take water purifier cleaning. How many of us clean the water purifier daily? No, right? So it's very easy to track that kind of cleaning, like that kind of task, like fridge cleaning, water purifier cleaning, or cleaning your kids bag, school bag, or cleaning your shoe racks, or cleaning your fans. These kind of tasks can be tracked here so that you do not miss the routine. So just click on the plus icon here in the top right corner, add the core. So I'm just entering it as water purifier cleaning. So you can set the repeating days. So I'm going to select as every 30 days. So the only disadvantage of this app is you can set only by days. So if you want to set it by say every 90 days, you have to just click on the plus button. It is a bit time consuming, but just press it nicely so that it goes very quickly, it moves on. So I'm going to set every 100 days. So starting from, so I'm selecting as from today. As I have already used the last date as 10/22, it's for my last task when I created, so it's showing that 10/22 initially, but if you have not, if you are just using it now, it will show the current date. I'm just adding this. So it's showing as water purifier cleaning as one of the course, and last time never, next time should be done today. So say I am doing that now. I have just done it. So last time done it today. Next time it's 1/15/19. So the date format is month followed by date and followed by year. So next after 100 days it's on January 15. So I'm seeing the next time as 1/15. Now I'm going to add another core. Say fridge cleaning. I'm going to set it as every 7 days. So this is what I was talking about, the disadvantage. You cannot manually enter, or there is no month and year format to select. So every 7 days, so starting from today, add. So last time is never, I have never done it. Next time should be done by today. So I'll just, even if you're not doing, if you are planning to do it from next schedule, just click on, I have just done it. Sorry about that interruption. I'm done with charging my mobile. So here what we can do is like, so you can see that the next schedule for fresh cleaning is 10/14, that is October 14. Today is October 7th. So once the day is October 14, you will get a notification as a reminder for you to clean the house. So let us see how we are going to manage the notifications in this app. Say notifications. So if you want notifications, select that. If you don't want as notification, and if you are going to it's impossible to check the app daily, right? So it's better to have it selected. Notification time, you can set it 5 a.m. or 5 p.m. am or pm, you can just toggle it, and you can set the time also, say 9 p.m. or 9 a.m. set. Notification sound is just your option whether to have it or not. If you keep the sound on, it will come up with the sound at 9 a.m. on that day. I'm just taking this out. So this is how you manage all the codes using this clean house app. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you find this video helpful, just give a thumbs up. If you like this channel, just please go ahead and subscribe. I'll meet you with another interesting video. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.